When it comes to SUVs, most people still believe sticking to a well-known brand guarantees peace of mind. But the truth is, not all SUVs are created equal. Many of them bring headaches in the form of costly repairs, poor fuel economy, or heavy depreciation. On the other hand, there's a select group of SUVs that stand the test of time. Vehicles that can easily push past 200,000 miles, keep their resale value strong, and deliver consistent reliability year after year. If you're looking to buy an SUV in 2025, this list is your shortcut to avoiding regret. These are the models trusted by mechanics, respected by experts, and loved by owners. The SUVs that truly deliver long-term value. The Toyota 4Runner 2025 feels like a relic in today's SUV market, but in the best possible way. While most modern SUVs have transitioned to lighter platforms that focus on comfort and efficiency, the 4Runner remains loyal to its origins. It is built on a body-on-frame design, the same rugged foundation used in pickup trucks, which gives it unmatched toughness and durability compared to typical crossovers. Powering the 4Runner is the proven 4.0-liter V6 engine, an overbuilt workhorse that prioritizes reliability over flashy performance numbers. With no turbos or overly complex hybrid systems to worry about, this engine has earned a reputation for long-term dependability. Many 4Runners easily surpass 250,000 miles, with some reaching close to 400,000 miles, provided the owner keeps up with basic maintenance. Another area where the 4Runner excels is resale value. Owners frequently keep their vehicles for a decade and still manage to sell them for more than half of the original purchase price. That level of value retention is extremely rare in today's SUV market. Inside, the 4Runner stays true to its practical philosophy. The cabin is simple, functional, and built to last. Large buttons, sturdy materials, and a straightforward layout replace delicate finishes or flashy touchscreens that might not stand the test of time. On top of that, the 4Runner comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, and pre-collision braking, giving you modern safety features without compromising its rugged identity. The Toyota 4Runner 2025 is not trying to be the trendiest SUV on the lot. It is not about massive screens or futuristic gimmicks. Instead, it is about delivering an authentic SUV experience. A vehicle that can handle tough trails, harsh winters, dirt roads, and still feel strong after decades of use. In a world dominated by soft crossovers, the 4Runner stands proud as one of the last true SUVs you can buy. The Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid 2025 is one of the most underrated SUVs on the market, and that is exactly what makes it such a smart choice. While many buyers overlook it in favor of more popular names, those who take the chance often come back saying they wish they had chosen it sooner. Why? Because it saves money in all the ways that truly matter. Under the hood, it combines a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine with an electric motor for a total of 226 horsepower. The system transitions seamlessly between gas and electric power, so smooth that most drivers barely notice it switching. Real-world owners report excellent fuel savings and next to no maintenance costs within the first 50,000 miles, which is rare for a midsize SUV. Unlike some hybrids that feel sluggish or disconnected, the Santa Fe Hybrid drives like a traditional SUV, only smarter and more efficient. One of its biggest advantages is Hyundai's industry-leading 10-year or 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, which gives buyers a level of peace of mind that brands like Toyota and Honda simply don't match. Inside, the Santa Fe Hybrid offers a clean and modern cabin with soft-touch materials, a panoramic display, and a functional layout that avoids the gimmicky or overcomplicated tech found in many rivals. There are no buggy infotainment systems or fragile components, just a solid interior designed to last. For buyers who want hybrid-level fuel efficiency, long-term reliability backed by a strong warranty, and comfort close to what you would expect from a luxury SUV but without the luxury price tag, the 2025 Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid stands out as one of the smartest and most overlooked options available today. The Toyota RAV4 2025 is one of the most dependable and well-rounded SUVs you can buy, and it has earned its reputation as a vehicle that simply refuses to quit. Many owners report their RAV4S reaching 250,000 miles or more while still driving like new, with no major repairs or unexpected issues. The 2025 model continues this legacy with a proven 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that shifts cleanly and consistently, whether you are commuting in heavy traffic or taking it onto rougher back roads. The hybrid version adds even more appeal, delivering 219 horsepower with one of the most refined and reliable hybrid systems on the market. There is no lag, no hesitation, and no costly shop visits. Toyota has been perfecting hybrid technology for decades, and the RAV4 hybrid is proof of that experience. Owners regularly save thousands of dollars in fuel and maintenance over the years without giving up power or versatility. Built on Toyota's TNGA-K platform, the RAV4 also offers a composed and stable ride, far superior to many of its compact crossover rivals. Inside, the design is refreshingly simple and practical, with real buttons, responsive screens, and durable materials that hold up well after years of daily use. It is a cabin built for real life rather than for show. Safety is also a strong point, with Toyota Safety Sense coming standard, adding features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, and pre-collision braking. The RAV4 isn't flashy, but that's exactly why it is so successful. It is affordable, efficient, easy to maintain, and holds its value better than almost any other SUV in its class, making it one of the smartest long-term investments you can make. By the way, if you've been nodding your head thinking, yeah, that's exactly what I want in an SUV, then this is the perfect time to hit like and subscribe. That way you'll always stay ahead with the smartest picks on the market. And I'd love to know, out of the models we've covered so far, which one feels like it belongs in your garage? Drop it in the comments. Let's see which SUV comes out on top. The Honda CR-V 2025 has earned its reputation as the SUV that simply refuses to cause trouble. Mechanics often call it the vehicle that never comes back, and there's a reason for that. The standard 1.5-liter turbocharged engine delivers a reliable 190 horsepower, smooth enough for daily driving without the long-term headaches that come with more complex setups. For those who want extra efficiency, the hybrid version takes things up a notch, producing 204 horsepower with seamless power delivery and excellent fuel economy that saves owners thousands over time. Drivers report racking up well over 90,000 miles with nothing more than oil changes, which speaks volumes about its durability. Step inside and the CR-V keeps things refreshingly simple: real knobs, intuitive controls, and no overcomplicated gimmicks. Honda sensing comes standard as well, giving you adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking that actually works without being intrusive. Industry ratings back up what owners already know. J.D. Power scored it 85 for quality and reliability, and Consumer Reports predicts above-average dependability for the long haul. But the real proof is in the ownership experience. People who buy a CR-V rarely have regrets, and that consistency is what makes it one of the smartest SUV choices in 2025. The Subaru Forester 2025 is not the flashiest SUV on the road, but when it comes to long-term dependability, it's almost unbeatable. Powered by a 2.5-liter boxer engine, it benefits from a low center of gravity that gives the SUV excellent balance and stability, something most crossovers can't match. This engine has a proven track record of surpassing 200,000 miles with nothing more than scheduled maintenance, making it a favorite among owners who value reliability above all else. The Forester also comes standard with Subaru's Lineartronic CVT, delivering smooth and consistent power without jerks or lag. But what truly sets it apart is its full-time symmetrical all-wheel drive, always engaged and always ready. Whether it's snow, rain, mud, or gravel, the system ensures unmatched traction and control, and it's one of the most respected AWD setups in the industry. Inside, the Forester keeps things simple and functional. Large windows provide excellent visibility, physical controls make everyday driving easy, and the infotainment system is straightforward. Safety is also a cornerstone, with Subaru's EyeSight Suite standard across all trims, bringing adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and pre-collision braking that works without being overbearing. Owners often say their Foresters just keep going, taking daily abuse and harsh weather without complaint. It's not about flashy features or viral appeal, it's about lasting quality. And that's why the Forester continues to be one of the most trusted SUVs year after year. At the end of the day, choosing the right SUV isn't about chasing the latest design trend or the biggest touchscreen. It's about finding a vehicle that will stand the test of time, save you money on repairs, and still feel solid years down the road. The models we've explored today prove that durability, safety, and long-term value still exist in the SUV market if you know where to look. They are the kind of vehicles you buy once and keep for years, often passing them down instead of trading them in. And that's what true reliability looks like. Peace of mind every time you turn the key.